Button. Welcome to Button. Today, bird combo. First of all, collect your daily reward. Cancel, claim your second reward, and go to spin and play combo. First one is this white duck, and second one is this brown duck. Third one is pigeon, and fourth one is where is this one small one. One time again checking. Okay, first white duck, then brown duck, then dark black pigeon, and this small pigeon. Let's check it. Okay, it's complete, and go back. If you want to join, link in description. Also join my telegram channel, link in description. Thank you so much.